Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to a new day, day 22. And today's date is 18th of May 2020. Let us begin our day with a prayer. Om Bhurbhuvat Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Everyone rub your hands. Keep your palm on your eyes. Slowly rub it and then open your eyes. Everyone take out your textbook. We are doing chapter number 3, addition to 10. Open page number 49. Open page number 49. I had given you 2 questions in homework, that is question number 3 and question number 4. Tell your answers. Okay, let us see together. The first, there are 3 bananas. How many bananas are there? 1, 2 and 3. So we had used the clue number 1, that is bananas. Then there are 5 apples. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we had used word apples. Last sentence is, how many fruits are there all together? So we had used 2 words, fruits and all together. So addition sentence will be 3 plus 5 equals to 8. Okay, last one. Clues are red, yellow, flowers in all. So first was yellow flower. There is 1 yellow flower. How many yellow flower? Only 1. So we had used word yellow. Then there are 8 red flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many red flowers are there? 8. There are 8 red flowers. So red flowers. How many flowers are there in all? In all. How many flowers are there in all? Addition sentence, 1 plus 8 equals to 9. Done till here? Okay. This portion, think smart. We have to write story, but we will write once you are back to school. अब जब स्कूल वापस आ जाओगे तब ये एक्टिविटी स्कूल में करने वाले हैं. ओके, फॉर नाउ टेक आउट योर नोटबुक्स. A number notebook. A number notebook. Okay. In A number notebook, you had last written chapter 2 number bond. Okay, this was your homework for number bond. Now turn the page, take a new page, write down chapter 3, addition to 10. Write down CW and today's date. (18 5 2020). Then question is, add the following. Add the following. And that first 6 plus 3. You need to write in the same format I am writing. Okay, start from here, that is before margin line, then write 6 and 3 in one line and plus in another one. Then leave 2 box, write down 2, three plus 2, 3 plus 2. Then again skip 2 lines, and then write 3. Third is 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. Then you need to skip 2 vertical lines. Okay, and then write fourth question. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. First we are going to write all the question and then only we will solve it together. Okay, fifth one. 6 plus 4. 6th one. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. Then again skip 2 vertical lines and write down 7 over here. Write down 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. And last 8th question, that is 5 plus 3. Last question is 5 plus 3. Everyone understood the format? कौन सा format में हमने लिखा है? We had skipped two lines after each question, vertically as well as horizontally. Vertically भी हमने दो लाइन skip किए हैं और horizontally भी दो लाइन skip किए. Now let us go to answer part. Okay, so first is 6 plus 3. Which is bigger number from 6 and 3? Yes, 6. So keep 6 in mind and 3 in fingers. 6 after 7, 8 and 9. So answer will be 9. Write down 9. Next is 3 plus 2. Which is bigger number from 3 and 2? Yes, 3. So keep 3 in mind and 2 in fingers. 3 after 4 and 5. So write down 5. Third question is 5 plus 1. From 5 and 1, which is bigger number? Yes, 5. So keep 5 in mind and 1 in finger. 5 after 1, 6. So answer will be 6. Next, fourth is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. From 2 and 3, which is bigger number? Yes, 3. So keep 3 in mind and 2 in fingers. 3 after 4 and 5. So answer will be 5. Next is 6 and 4. Which is bigger number from 6 and 4? Yes, 6. So keep 6 in mind and 4 in fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9 and 10. So answer will be 1, 0, 10. Next is question number 6. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. From 7 and 1, which is bigger number? Yes, 7. So 7 in mind, 1 in fingers. 7 after 1, 8. So answer will be 8. Next is 7th question. Question is 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. From 4 and 2, which is bigger number? Yes, 4. So keep 4 in mind and 2 in fingers. 4 को कहाँ रखेंगे? माइंड में, और 2 को फिंगर्स पे. 4 after 5 and 6. So answer will be 6. Last question is 5 plus 3. So keep 5 in mind and 3 in finger. Because 5 is a bigger number, so we will keep bigger number in mind. So 5 in mind and 3 in fingers. 5 after 6, 7 and 8. So answer will be 8. Then everyone, on next page we are going to write homework. So same, you have to write chapter 3, addition to 10, homework and today's date. Question will remain same. Question is add the following. First question, write down 1, do circle so that you can identify what is question and this is number. This is number of your question, not question. Okay, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है कि ये क्या होगा, क्वेश्चन का नंबर. ये देखो यहाँ पे हमने सारी जगह पे सर्कल्स किए हैं 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 में. So this is your question number. First write down 6, plus 0 equals to dash. Two number 8 plus 2 equals to dash. Third question, 4 plus 1 equals to dash. Fourth question, 6 plus 2 equals to dash. Write down next. 1 plus 6 equals to dash. Next, sixth one, 2 plus 7 equals to dash. Seventh question, write in this format. Okay, we had written from first to sixth over here, then we will write 7, 8, 9 and 10th question over this side. So write down 7th, 3 plus 4 equals to dash. Zero plus 1 equals to dash. Nine. 1 plus 9 equals to dash. Last, 2 plus 4 equals to dash. Okay, so this 10 questions are in homework. ये 10 questions आपके आज के होमवर्क में होंगे. ओके, we will keep till here. Bye, have a nice day.